043692000. Once again, 043692000. They are located in Business Bay, Dubai. And to be a part of this, हम ढूंढ रहे हैं geniuses. तो अगर आपको मुफ्त की education चाहिए, as cheap as that sounds right now, but yes, that's what we're doing. We're giving 100% scholarship for 2 years at IHC Dubai and
At age 12, he wrote his first software program to enable the computers in his home to communicate with his father's and his dental office. At age 20, he would be the youngest billionaire ever to own a company called Facebook. His nominate yours. IHC is searching for students from age 16 to 19, scoring in the top 90% in 11th or 12th grade midterm. Principals, counselors, teachers, and parents can nominate their genius. 10 finalists selected for scholarships to IHC Dubai. For more information, call 04-369-2000 or log on to www.ihc-dubai.com or visit IHC at Fujairah Tower, Business Bay, Dubai. IHC, find a genius, spiced up at 105.4 Radio Spice.